Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. You saw the thumbnail right, girl. You are not seeing things. I did get an authentic Louis Vuitton limited edition bag that I think they only made a few. Well, take that back. I think they made a lot of these. I just think they made this colorway only once. I got it for $139. That is with tax, shipping, and the whole shebang. And I'm going to tell you about that. But first, it wouldn't be Winnie BLV around the holidays. Look at my Clark Griswold shirt. That's right. One of my favorite all-time movies. Holiday or no. I want to thank my sponsor today, which is Rose Forever New York. Oh my God, look how pretty these boxes are. Just in time for the holidays. Now, last I checked, they were having a super good sale on the site. They're always doing something good. I'm going to give you a promo code down in my box. I'm going to link you to Rose Forever. Definitely go check out all the savings and good deals, but check out these, right? Okay, so the greatest thing about Rose Forever, I have a few. I have some up there. I actually have some that have lasted over a year. So if you treat these right, you do what the care card says, you take care of them properly, they will last you over a year, at least a year, if not more. I've got some that have lasted me over a year and a half, almost 2 years already. So I really believe in this company and they smell like roses. They're supposed to smell, but they do. They preserve these and they look as beautiful on the first day, and then I can look at them 365 days later and they look as good. I'm telling you, I've had these for a long time, the purple ones up there, and they look just like the day I got them, like these. So I love this electric blue color. Oh my gosh. Intense, I think is what they call these. I'm so crazy about these. Thanking them and of course putting them down in. This is going to make the perfect Christmas gift because I'm thinking about gifting these to someone and I think they make the best gift. If I had never had any Rose Forever and someone gifted me these, like my husband, because I really wanted these for a long time before I started working with them, and he just never got the hint. But as someone gifted me these for Christmas, for my anniversary coming up, for Valentine's Day, my birthday, I would be over the frigging moon. I love them that much. I love always getting roses, but I hate that they die in 2 weeks or less. And that really doesn't sit well with me. It makes me sad. It breaks my heart because you pay so much. Why not invest? Pay a little bit more money, get a ton of beautiful real roses. That's right. That will keep in your house for up to a year or more. I totally believe in this company. So check them out. Rose Forever New York. I will link all of the information. Please use my link. Go over and check everything out and use my promo code, okay? All right, guys, the moment that you have been waiting for. I chose these roses because it kind of looks like the special Louis Vuitton bag. So it is from Rebag. I have wanted this bag forever. Lisa Loves Bags has this and I have lusted after that bag. I said if I could steal anybody's collection, it would just be that one bag from her, and now I have the bag that I paid $139 for. So the cool thing about Rebag, I know, you know, Fashion File does the layaway. They will buy your stuff. You can get store credit, whatever. Listen to me. You can trade stuff and they don't care how much stuff. I think I traded 8 or 9 things to get this bag down to $139. They were asking $23.90 for the bag. I had 20% off. They were having a sale, which gave me 20% off. Then I started adding my trades on there. I sent them all to them. It takes a little longer because they have to check out all your trades, yada, yada, yada. Some things I got more for. Some things they quoted me, I actually got more money for. And then there was a couple things they sent me back. So all in all, originally I paid $139. So I did end up paying, I think total, I've lied to you guys. I think $400, so less than $500, so right around the $400 and some odd dollar mark, because yeah, a couple of pouches they did send me back. But I got this down originally to $139. Don't be mad at me that I clickbaited you into looking at this, but seriously, I got this for $139, and then I had to pay just a little bit more because they didn't take a couple things. But let me show it to you. Let me just show it to you because I'm over here wasting time. I'm over here just, it is, oh my God. Ta-da! It is the Amazon Speedy in the digital blue and noir. What? Now you see why I wanted those blue roses, because it matches in the black box. I mean, look at this. Like, did I do a good job picking out my roses and my bag? They match. I know, I'm matchy today. OMG, guys, I can't even tell you how much I am in love with this bag. It looks like brand new. Now, I think this was a 2016 release. Maybe they like pre-sale in 2015 on this, but I don't really know. But it came with the lock. It came with the keys, of course. It came with the clochette, or the actual luggage tag, I'll call it. And then you can hang another little bag charm. And guys, you know I will, because I am bag charm freaking crazy. It snaps on either side, which I love. It snaps over here. Girl, so yeah, less than $500 is actually what I paid for. So the reason that I thought, so you go ahead and you finalize everything, because they're quoting you. They're saying, oh yeah, we usually give this amount. It's like a fast quote. And when they get your item, they inspect it. And I had a couple of pouches in there, you've seen them, that were a little too rough. Man, they were rode hard, put up wet. Aren't we all at this age? But seriously, I was rode hard and put up wet in my 30s, but you know, that's my own personal whatever. But so yeah, a couple of things they did send back, but I went for several days thinking, oh my God, and telling everybody, I got a bag for $139 in that bag. So I essentially got a $2,400 bag for in the $400 and some odd range. So that's what said and done I paid. But yeah, for days I went through thinking they accepted it all, because they had gone on my quote and said accepted. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, we're done. It's a done deal. I went feeling that way for like 4 or 5 days. So I was just telling everybody, hey girl, I got a bag for $39. Hey, I got a bag. Well, then I got the Dear John letter that said, yeah, there's a couple of items that are kind of bad that we don't want, we can't sell. And I understood that. I was just really pinning all my hopes and dreams on a couple of really rough items. But now I can go ahead and sell those items and hopefully make that money back, recoup it, because they're probably worth a couple $100s a piece anyway. They lowball you because they have to make money too. But yeah, these were rough. So all said and done, I want to say in the 304, so right around $439, because they were quoting me $150 for each pouch. So I did have $300 that I did have to come up with again. So originally, yeah, this thing was like $139, girl. And I was over the friggin' moon, let me tell you. She was so excited. So let's check out the bag, because I opened it up and saw it. Let me try to crossbody this little biche. Oh my gosh, she belonged to a gal who is about my size. I love it. It hits me right on the hip. Ooh, I love. This thing is supposed to be adjustable too. I am so excited. This thing, it's supposed to be one of those type deals that, okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out, because it's just whoever had it on the very last. Yeah, as wide open as it would go. Wide open, that's what she said, I swear to God. It's one of those type deals where you can, it's all jacked around. Oh, girl, I hate when things get jacked around. Not really. I actually love that. It's one of those snappy type deals that you can snap and turn into a shoulder bag. So I can snap the little thing shut and turn it into a shoulder bag. But you know me, I don't dig that. I think I am gonna like open it all up and do like a crossbody moment. So there's the little snaps at the top. Yeah, they had it just a little too wide open, girl. I'm gonna have to figure this out. This is like a maze over here. So there's snaps on the bottom here where you can lower it into a shoulder bag, or you can crossbody the hell out of this. Oh my gosh, I haven't looked inside. Let's look inside. Should we do an autumn spin? Hopefully we'll do an autumn spin. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't think I got anything extra. I didn't get a bag or anything. That's fine. I didn't get any tickets or anything, but let's check her out. She is clean as a friggin' whistle. This thing looks like the day it came home with somebody back in 2016. Oh my God, I love it. It's stamped right there. God, it just smells like leather. The interior actually is leather. It's a tan leather. Wow. Should I get them to get me another Zimoni thing? It's stamped in here somewhere. Okay, wait, is this it? No. Okay, I'll have to look into the stamping, because, oh wait. Oh, some bitch had a pin in their bag. What is the cardinal rule of carrying a luxe bag? You don't have a damn insert, girl. Don't you put your ink pens in my bag. But yeah, there is an ink mark on the side. Or is it a damn tear? It might be a... Okay, girl, hold on. I think it's a scratch. Oh no, it's the stitching of this pocket. Oh, thank God. I was getting so upset. Woo, my mood went from 0 to 60 back down and up. Oh my gosh, it was like a roller coaster ride there for a second. But I've seen these things stamped, and actually Rebag had it's gold. The stamping is gold. I'll have to look for that, but because this is back when they used it. It's probably in the pocket. I can't see dick. I don't know, guys. But yeah, it's probably in the pocket maybe. I don't know. I'll find it by the time this video's over. You know, I'm ill prepared. I'm never prepared for nothing. But yeah, that scared the bejeez out of me. I thought, oh my God, somebody's pin mark. But no, there's stitching inside because there's a pocket out here that you can actually, like, you know, put some money in. Maybe it's inside the pocket. I did see it in the listing. So anyhow, thank you for clicking in here. But yeah, so Rebag, I love the fact that I traded the Kirigami set, the small and the middle, because I don't use them. They were just sitting back here. Did I ever use them? Not one time. I had them over a year. I never used them. I love the thought of owning them. I just didn't do anything with them. I just had no practical purpose for it. I know I said I did when I first got them. Oh, I'm gonna do this, go do that. Yeah, she's full of good intentions, but no, she did not do nothing with those Kirigami. So they gave me a pretty good amount for my Kirigami 2 pouches. I can't even remember. So if you trade, they give you a little bit more and then you save on the taxes. So on that $139, originally when we got it down to $139, I only had to pay the $12. It was less than that. I only had to pay $12 of taxes on the amount that, you know, not the full amount. Like I didn't have to pay the $240, which would have been the tax on the original price. You just have to pay what's left of the cash, you know, that you owe for the bag, if you owe anything. And you can even go beyond that. I could have gone beyond that and used some bags or something and actually gotten another credit on buying something. I could have bought something else too, but I stopped at SLG's and I had a couple of pouches. Those 2 pouches they sent me back because they were, you know, they saw better days. I get it. Oh, I had a they actually gave me more money for this because I had the box and everything with it, but I had an agenda, a little mini azure agenda that looked really, really good. I think I've shown it to you guys before, but I sent them that. They gave me money for that, the 2 Kirigami, a key clay pouch like thing, the azure, a pair of shoes. I think there were 8 items and they gave me 2 back, so that's 6. Not really sure. Maybe a key ring holder thing. I don't remember, but it was all just stuff I was not using, girl. I was not using it, and I was so excited. I was like, oh my God, I bought the bag of my dreams, a unicorn holy grail bag for $139. Then, you know, I got the Dear John. It was a little like, so yeah, if you have some stuff, they have to inspect it. They have to make sure it's authentic. You know, you check a box that says, hey, we agree to pay you this if the items are as described and as you pictured. If we get them and they're worse than that or they're not real, we're going to send you. They packaged it all up way nicer than I had it packaged and sent the 2 things back to me, and I got those back quicker than I got my bag. So yeah, I was very, very excited about that. So all total, in the end, I ended up paying $439 for a $2,400 bag, and I've seen these even go on Fashion File for $3,500. I've seen people on eBay wanting $5 grand for these. The market has come down a little bit. I mean, the prices have come down on these a little bit, which I was very, very glad about. They make these that are all noir, like black, but they just have a little bit of that blue right through here. They make them like that. This Speedy was just, it's not like got a top handle or anything on it. So ever since I saw Lisa Loves bags, ever since I've seen her bag like this, even before then, I wanted this bag. I have just always wanted it. I like that. Look at the red and the black that up here, the infrarouge, and then this digital blue. Like, oh my God, girl, like, right? I'm so excited. This thing looks so freaking good. I got a little scared there thinking that there was like ink or something. Oh my God, I was freaking out. But yeah, it's just stitching where there's a pocket. I'm gonna have to find, there is a date code. There's a gold lettered date code, and it's 2016 that this bag is stamped. I want to say, I'm pretty sure. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Even the brass. Okay, I just keep going on and on. I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So holy grail bags that I didn't have to pay much for. Rebag, do not sleep on them. I'll link them down below. Get to trading, girl. I mean, I got tons of stuff I just was not using and didn't plan on using, so they got to go. If I could get a beautiful bag like this for a bunch of little stuff I wouldn't even, yes, all day long. Thank you so much to them. They have some sales and you can probably get them. If you get on it right now, you could probably get them before Christmas as a gift. Yes, girl. And if you don't, leave your husband or your wife or whatever, your spouse, your partner, leave them a little, hey, Valentine's is right around the corner. You know what I mean? So we'll probably do another little thing with them for Valentine's, but gosh, guys, loving this bag, loving you. I mean, seriously, I love this thing. I'm gonna go right into it. I'm gonna snap these little things off of it. I've checked it out and I absolutely love it. Okay, thank you for watching me today. I hope you guys will join my fun little family over here and hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna wait on you. Go out right now. Get down there, hit the subscribe for me. I'm gonna wait. You ready? Did you do it? Thank you. That is your Christmas present to me. Thank you. I love you guys so much. Comment down below. Hit the thumbs up. Also do me another favor. If y'all see my husband though, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. I'm gonna go into some real talk. I don't really have a story, but a lot of the YouTubers that I know and love have been getting some really hateful, mean-ass comments. And I have one bitch who keeps on, I don't know if it's a lady or a guy. I don't know. He, she, they. I don't know. But I do know that there's been several comments left by this person. And I think people are just like being mean for the sake of being mean. Like, why? It's the season for love and joy. You should be that way all year long, but especially right now, it's Christmas, dude. Be kind. But anyway, I have the same person who, you know, it's left me 4 or 5 just ugly ass comments. You know, the first one wasn't so bad. And then it was, stop being down on yourself. You know, you're body shaming yourself. Like, stop doing that. Trying to tell me what to do. And then it was something else. They didn't like that I yelled when I say this hoe, you know, they didn't like that. Then they told me they were going to unsubscribe because I did something else. And I was just like, you know, I'll miss you, but bye. So then I thought that was the end of it. And I'd be damned if she didn't come back and say some other stuff about me, you know, showing you my SINBONO bags the other day. Like, they spelled out like showing a bunch of crap and this hoe in all caps, like that I scream. And so I finally was like, I'm gonna be honest with you, my thoughts were like this, like, fuck you, bitch. Get alive, stop trolling, and boot, you're out. I like booted her out. I blocked them. So like, I just want to tell everybody, like, if you can't be nice, don't say shit. I know, people are assholes, right? Oh guys, I hope you guys are having a very happy holiday season full of joy and love. Biatch.